If you're wanting to absolutely crush it with affiliate marketing and you don't have your own website or blog, then you want to pay close attention to this entire video. What I'm going to reveal to you is a blueprint that myself and people from around the world with no background, no previous experience, no tech skills, starting from scratch without even a following online, have been able to generate income like clockwork without needing their own website or blog. And just for sticking through to the end of the video, I'm even going to share with you how, as a bonus, you can access a totally free automated funnel that includes your own website that you will be able to customize that will allow you to follow up and make commissions even while you're sleeping. So real quick, I want to share with you some of the results of people that have been using this exact blueprint. And then I'm going to dive right into the steps you need to take in order to do this and start doing it without having your own website. Okay, so you can see Ben right here. It says $3,000 in 15 days and gaining momentum. Okay, you can see right here, if you plug in, stay consistent and be authentic, the blueprint works. Okay, now I want to share just a few more because again, I want you to see what's possible. You can see Margie right here. Okay, this was just 3 days ago inside of the community that again, you can access. As I'll share in just a second, you can see $900 in just 2 days inside of this blueprint and inside of this community. And just maybe one more for good measure, you can see 2 days in and 1 sale. It says, I made my first post on social media, and that's my first sale after just 2 days inside of this blueprint. And the amazing thing is, again, these people did not have their own website when they got started. So what are the steps you need to take in order to do the same thing? The first thing is what we're doing is we're promoting a digital affiliate product that pays us instant 100% commissions. So if you've ever done affiliate marketing, part of the problem is you have to wait a long time to get paid. So if you go to ClickBank, if you go to JVZoo, Warrior Plus, you find a product to promote, often you have to wait 2 to 4 weeks to get the money. You do the work of promoting and then you have to wait a long time. Well, if you have bills piling up, if you have a family that you got to take care of, if you just want to buy nice things and get that money as soon as possible, this is not the path to take. The cool thing about this specific blueprint is you get paid instantly. Now, I'm going to share exactly what to do on a daily basis if you do want to do this blueprint. But before I continue, there's going to be a link directly below. So at any point in this video, if you do see an opportunity or if that curiosity continues to build and you really want to find out more, you can just go to the link directly below. So what are the steps? The first step you need to do is you need to be posting content. So what myself and the people inside of this community that are just making tons and tons of money, what we do is we post 2 to 3 pieces of content every single day on social media. Now, this can be things like photos, videos, text posts. Okay, these are just pieces of content and we post those on sites like Facebook, sites like TikTok, okay, sites like YouTube. We post that with purpose. The purpose of the content is to attract our perfect customers, okay? Because what happens is when you actually post that content, you will start to attract people that are looking for that information. The very fact that you're watching this video means that it works because I'm using this blueprint. I'm using what I've learned doing things like what's inside of this blueprint to attract you to this very video. And you can do the same thing, and you don't have to create videos if you don't want to. You don't have to show your face. I know a lot of people, they want to stay anonymous. Maybe you have a job or a family and you just don't want to put yourself out there. You can still do this on Pinterest or Facebook without even showing your face. But what we do is we post content. And as you can see right here, I actually just started a brand new TikTok. Okay, and just getting, very few amount of views, 672 views here, 661 views. I already generated over 100 leads, okay, just from this video alone. And it's absolutely incredible because these videos are working for me. Once you post a piece of content, that will continually attract your ideal customers to you. So I started this brand new TikTok. That's one way. Another way you can do it is on Facebook. So you can see right here, I posted this post right here. This is a piece of content. And you can see I just say, hey, drop an info below if you want to learn more. So if you want more details, comment below info. And you can see, okay, sounds amazing, send info. And I had 28 people comment information, asking me for information. Now, what is the next step? Because I know you're watching this, you're thinking, okay, but I don't have a website. I don't have my own blog. What you need to know is when you actually go to the link below and you get started with our blueprint, you join this community, you will get access to your own done-for-you website, okay? Now, I want to share with you what it looks like, okay? Because this is what most people's website that they're using looks like. This website converts, okay, at about 50%, which is incredible in the make money online affiliate marketing space. So what that means is when you post content and you get people asking you for information and you send people to this page, about 50% of the people are going to put their email in. And then what happens is with this automated system and website that you will get as a free bonus when you actually invest and join one of the levels inside this incredibly powerful affiliate program, this website, this funnel will start following up with your leads for you. It will start sending them automated emails to those prospects, getting them to know, like, and trust you even while you're sleeping. And then what that allows you to do is allow you to generate results. And just using this exact process, this exact blueprint, okay, recently I joined this specific affiliate program and I've been loving it. Just doing that, these are some of the results that I've been able to generate, okay? So this is my own Garrett's digital sales. I collect payments through Stripe. You can see, $600, $600, $600, $300, $600, $300. I mean, I can just keep scrolling and these, it says 568 results, right? I can just keep going and going and these payments are coming in while I'm out, while I'm relaxing in the park, while I'm hanging out with my friends, okay? This is still working because the system, this website is working for you. So you do need, if you want to automate your affiliate marketing results, you do need a website or funnel that's going to be working for you, but you do not have to create it yourself. You don't have to be good at sales and be technical and code. All you have to do is, again, if you're interested, go to the link below, put your email into that page, and I will send you all the information you need to know. I will send you more proof. I will send you a video from my business partner that will explain how this affiliate program and blueprint works so you can start to join and get the same results. Again, I mean, I can just keep going. $750 in less than 24 hours. I mean, I can literally just scroll and scroll and scroll, and these results are just from people just like you and me. The only difference is they suspended their disbelief. They made a decision, okay? $1,350, I mean, a $600 sale. Okay, so you can totally do this yourself. And I mean, I can literally just keep scrolling. This is, I mean, it's insane. Okay, another $300 day. So go down below. If you have any questions about this, be sure to comment it in the comment section below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside, my friend. Take care.